Here's what I like to do. I like to get high and I like to list out all the shit that I hate. I hate fat vegetarians. I don't feel like you can trust them. How the fuck you still fat? I hate when I'm about to watch porn on my phone. There's always that 1 second right before the movie starts and the screen goes black. You make eye contact with yourself. It's 1 second, but you just judge your whole life like you ain't got nothing else to do. It's 2:30 p.m. motherfucker. Go outside. Fuck that. Sun's out, comes out. Let's go. 3 minutes, that's the longest you should watch any porno for. You're watching full-length porn, like 20, 25 minutes of this shit, there's something wrong with you. You're sick. You gotta register with a sex offender or something. I don't know. I watch porn like I do ESPN. I just want highlights. Oral, doggy style, butt stuff, baby shower. I don't need 20 minutes. I start feeling bad for the girl halfway through. I'm like, you don't gotta do this. You can go to Evans College, get a CNA. You can be a nurse in like 30 days. Get the fuck out of here. There's more dicks in the back. Get out of the room. 20 minutes.